Hello, Algebra 2 students, for Miss Bell. I'm looking at the intro to matrices, and here we go. Basing on what we did yesterday, we are to identify the indicated element, and so we want 1, 2. So we stay in row 1, and we go to column 2. And that's going to be where we're at right there. This one is going to be row 3, column 2. So that's 8. This one is going to be row 1, column 2. That's going to be our element that we are concerned with there. I'm not going to do 5. I want you to try it on your own, but the dimensions, it's going to be rows by columns. Rows by columns. So the number of rows are 3 and columns by 2. This one, rows are 2 by 3. So what would 5 be? Try that one on your own. Hopefully you're pausing this as I'm going forward. Write undefined for any expressions that are undefined. I didn't think I saw any that would be undefined, but that's if they didn't have something to add to or subtract or multiply or whatever. So taking a look at these, we're adding these. You just add each element. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus a -1 is 3, 0, and so on. So you can see my answer there. Make sure you have the brackets. Number 9, you're subtracting. Remember, subtracting a negative turns into addition. And then here's multiplication. 3 times -6 is -18. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, looking at these, we are going to write a matrix representing each system of equations. So here I have a 2, a positive 1y, and an 8. Positive 1x, a -3y, and a -3. Just put them in order like that. Try 14 on your own. Here we have, I wanted to do 15, x, y, and z. So I have those examples there for you. I wanted to do 17 where we're going backwards. We're given a matrix and we have to write the system of equations that the matrix is representing. So here I have 1x, 6 y's, and a 7. I have 2 x's, 4 y's, and a -2. I wanted to do one with a z, so I did 18 also, because these have x, y, and z. So you could see how those turn out to be a system of equations. And then the error analysis, your classmate says that in the matrix to the right, A23 is 6. So A2, 3, second row, third one, that would be -2. He said it was 6. Oh, you see what he did? He went to the second, he got his rows and columns mixed up, okay? So the student mixed up rows and columns and vice versa. So you just mixed up the rows and columns you could put for that one. It's supposed to go, row by column when we're figuring out the dimensions. Okay, so it's how many rows by how many columns. So the first number is the rows, 2 down, and then 3 over. So it should be -2. Okay. Hopefully this helps, and good luck with matrices.